This cup of coffee cost him over $1 million. And the craziest part, he bought it for only $5. So how can $5 become a $1 million mistake? To understand that, we need to go back in time. 30 years ago, Banker Monkey started a new job. Every morning, he stopped for coffee first. $5 wasn't much money. At least that's what he thought. The next day, he bought another one, and another one after that. Soon, it became a daily habit. One coffee every workday, week after week, month after month, year after year. One coffee became 5 every week. 5 coffees became hundreds every year. The money kept leaving his pocket, but he barely noticed it happening because small expenses feel harmless. That's what makes them dangerous. $5 doesn't feel like much until you repeat it thousands of times. Now imagine 30 years of coffee. That's more than 7,000 cups and tens of thousands of dollars spent. Most people stop the math right there. But that's not the real cost. The real cost is what that money could have become. And that's where things get shocking. What if he invested that money instead? Just $5 a day, nothing more, nothing fancy, just the consistency, day after day, month after month, year after year. Now the money starts growing, then it earns money on itself. That's called compounding. And compounding loves time. At first, it barely moves. Most people quit right here because the results seem tiny, but then something amazing happens. The growth starts speeding up faster than most people expect. The money begins making more money, and then even more money. That's the power of compounding. Now let's reveal the real number. Not the coffee bill, the opportunity cost, what that money could have become over decades of growth. That $5 habit wasn't just costing coffee money, it was costing future wealth, potentially hundreds of thousands, maybe even $1 million. The lesson isn't to stop buying coffee, it's to understand what your habits are really costing you. Most people focus on what things cost today. The wealthy focus on what those choices cost tomorrow and wait until you hear about the mistake that cost one investor everything. Subscribe to Banker Monkey. That's our next story.